Welcome back to Campus Tech. You can just double tap and wake up your screen and double tap that shut down your screen. If you want to turn on that feature or turn off that feature, so you can just go, it's very easy steps. So just go into the settings right there. When you go into the settings, scroll down a little bit, you'll find there is a feature there's a tab it's called advanced feature. When you go into the advanced feature, go into the motion and gesture, just click on it. So on the third and second and third one, you'll find, look at this, a double tap to turn on a screen and double tap to turn off a screen. Let's say if you just turn this off, and when you just do here, so it will not wakes up. That's a different thing. Screen is not waking up actually. So you have to press the power button. So then it wakes up and you go. So let's say if you turn on, and when you just double tap, the screen will wake. So the same thing is you can just turn on and off for that thing, and the same thing you can follow with this double tap to turn off. So let's say if you just go with this, then you double tap it, as you can turn on, but you cannot turn it off. So just those steps are very easy. If you want those kind of feature in your phone, just follow those steps. If you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video. Thank you.